By show of hands, how many of you have ever been in a meeting where someone just talked too long? All of us. Raise your hand if that is you. No one will ever admit it. But I know I've been there, you've been there, we've all been in these meetings where someone talks too long. And there's always this awkward moment of like, do we say something? Do we cut them off? Is that being rude? And so I have an idea, a suggestion to try out, that next time you're in a meeting and someone's just kind of looping in the conversation, they're dragging on and their point was gotten way earlier, it is called the got it card. And the got it card is a silent card that every single person at the table can have. And gradually, as someone talks, as soon as their main point is made, people can just slowly start to hold up the got it card and the person speaking will understand it. The end result here is that it's going to speed up the meetings. It's going to make the main point even clearer because it's not going to be polluted by a lot of preamble and postamble. It's going to reduce the killing of the momentum of the meeting and it's going to make your meetings more effective. Try it out at your next meeting and see what happens when you introduce to the team a got it card. My name is Tom. I'm here to help you to engage your people.